All right, so we're going to make this screen dark and unreadable. So we hit edit in Photoshop, which sends it right over to Photoshop. We're going to use this tool right there, which is, I forget what it's called, but it's that thing. What's it called? The polygonal lasso tool. That's what we want. Okay, backline. And then, so what we do is we just zoom in, we go right into the TV, take the polygonal lasso tool, and look, it just draws straight lines. So we draw straight lines, which is what a TV is, all the way down, all the way across. And then there, we've got our outline of the screen. Then come down here and whoa, what did we do there? Stop it, go away. We go to curves, we open curves, and look at that, how it makes a perfect mask on that. Then we just take curves and we bring it down, and there we go. We've masked it out and made it black, and that's it. It's that simple. Then you just go wide again and just come up here and go to save, and boom, it goes right back to Lightroom, and you've got a black screen. That's perfect.